likes or stories? Absolutely. Am I in Mr. Cow's stories? Absolutely. Okay, so when I got this information, I'm like, it seems coincidental. It seems very coincidental that at all the places to be in the world, we got two people mid-divorce in the same location, right? And y'all not even gonna believe me when I show you the picture. You're not gonna believe me when I show you the picture. But before we get into the picture, right? What I want to talk about is how dangerous common law marriage is. And look, you don't want me to be talking about it. You want a lawyer, right? We all want a lawyer to talk about it. We want lawyers to give us this information because me, who cares? Okay, we're gonna go over common law marriage, how dangerous it is, especially in Texas. I would say Texas and California is the most dangerous place to have a common law divorce. Someone says it was Anaheim, California, by the way, not Texas. So she flew out to Cali for this race. All right. So it was in California. Still, if it was in Antarctica, I'm like, yo, why are these two people in the same place? Coincidence? Are they dating? Okay, so let me get this lawyer to come up. Y'all can hear it. This is a Texas family lawyer. So even better, even better. All right. Texas family lawyer. We about to let her rock out. Here we go.
Y'all keep asking me why common law marriage is dangerous. Texas is a community property state. We're also a common law marriage state. The combination of the two is not great. So what happens is in a community property state, we presume, that means we say as soon as you get to court, okay, we're going to assume all this stuff is y'all's stuff. We don't care whose name it's in. It's y'all's
I heard
stuff.
that.
And if you say, no, that was mine before I got with this person, you have to prove that. If you can prove that, and let's say it's a house, but you've been making mortgage payments since you got together, all your income since you got together. And
did you guys hear that? If it's a house and you've been making mortgage payments since y'all got together, all that income you use to the house makes it y'all house. And we know they have a house.
You were common law married is community property, meaning the community put money into something that was your separate stuff, meaning that your separate stuff owes the community a little bit of money. And for a house, that's half of your principal payments on your mortgage. That also could include, say, your 401k, your pension, your retirement plans, all of that stuff your spouse can get at because you're legally married.
All right. So she put y'all on game, right? Now, shout out to my guy, Mr. Brandon L. Jett, who was just taking over the sponsor for the night, who lives in California, guys. So he knows what this is all about. California is a terrible place to get a divorce, period, and family court battles. What he's alluding to is, California has like the lowest rate of custody for fathers in the country. And it is a community state. So it means everything she said about, the money you put in the house, the money that you put in from your mortgage, that's community money. So anything you put that community money into, both parties own, which means Sammy would own half the house if he didn't get it before her or if he made payments on it while they were together. You see that, right? Now we're going to talk about how to avoid common law marriage, because she give you some game. And it's not that whole just don't live with her crap that, some people say. This is a lawyer telling you this information. How do you know how to avoid a common law marriage is the next one. Let me turn it up. Let me add the stream. All right, this is the same Texas family lawyer.
How do you avoid it? How do you stay away from the idea that you're even close to common law married? It's a little document called a non-marital cohabitation agreement.
Okay, so Mr. Cow and Sammy needed a non-marital cohabitation agreement. Come on, brother, show us what you like. No, hell no.
Before either one of you
it's all
sets foot in the other one's place of residence, house, apartment, doesn't matter. Before you start living together, y'all one of you needs to go to a lawyer, get it drafted. The other one needs to sign it. And basically what that document says, you can decide how your bills are paid, yada, yada, in the document as well. But basically what that says, it says in more ways than one, until we go to a courthouse and get a marriage license and then go see a pastor or a judge or whoever and get legally married and then record our marriage license at the courthouse. We are not married.
All
we
right.
file taxes together, we ain't married. We get on insurance, we ain't married. We move in together, we ain't married. It takes away all of that. Are they married?
Yeah.
So
this is what he needed.
Get your cohabitation agreement.
This is
how do you?
This is what he needed. Okay, so where was I getting at with this? Right, the whole y'all want to see the picture of the whole of them getting back together. What she left out, what she conveniently left out, is one key detail. Right. Let's look at this house. Let me zoom in. It's off the market. All right. This is the house that's at stake. Let me X that out. I don't want to show you the house per se, but they need to, Mr. Cow needs to go on Zillow and basically take his house down because you can see all into it. Now, what I want you to bring attention to is this is a $1.1 million 5-bed, 5-bath house, and they need to go take the house down ASAP. All right. So that is what I'm talking about. But here's the picture. Here is the picture of what I think. Hold on, let me remove this. Shows them at the event together, and y'all can tell me. Y'all can let me know if this is actual factual. Hold on, let me stop screen. Present. Share screen. Give me a second. Window right here. Share. All right, let's make it bigger. All right, so this is at the event in Anaheim. You see Adept, and please don't go to her socials and start harassing her. Like, remember, anything that's done to her will be used in court against Mr. Kyle. But this is them at the event together. Now, if they're dating, this is horrible. This is bad for Mr. Kyle because what it does is it resets the marriage clock. So she's like, hey, the marriage ended in October 2022. But if he goes, he sees her, he do what he wants to do. And next thing you know, she like, sorry, judge, the wedding, the marriage didn't end until January 2023 after we met at this motocross. So all that equity I built up in the house, I need more equity. I need more of that. I need more of it because this ain't good for us. This not good. This not right. He's playing with my emotions and I should be compensated. And we like, anyway. That is the danger. So who owns the house, guys? Who owns this house right here? I'm not going to show it again. But what I did, right? What I do is, there we go.